Reggae Ric.
My glass-blowing name is Reggae Ric. I am from Humboldt County, California.
My name is Brad Gordon. I go by Gordo. I'm from Central Illinois, but I'm currently in Pine, Colorado. The recent collabs with Reggae Ric were based off of our product design, and we used his artistic dot box pattern to incorporate them into our product.
I made color prep for the piece. I did gold and silver fuming dot box, and then I got it to the diameter which I thought they would need it at, and handed it on over to the team of crushers.
Yeah, I think we could use the same rosé or the peach.
These will be for the OGs.
Okay.
And then these are for the GTOs.
What I love about my craft is being able to be a creative, independent hustler. Jah goeth and cometh, believeth, achieveth.
And thank you so much for your support.